Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review on the Urban RX products that I used a couple months back. I know I said that I would follow up after using those products and I totally forgot. So I'm going to tell you guys about my experience and what I think about using products from that brand. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so you guys should know by now that I'm the queen of trying out a whole bunch of face products because my skin goes through it. A couple months ago, I purchased products from Urban Skin RX and I learned about this brand through one of my good friends. So I decided to, give it a try. I mean, why not? At that point, I didn't really have anything to lose because my skin was just a hot mess. So I went ahead and I purchased these products. I'm going to link the video down below so you guys can see what products I got. I'm also going to link it up here so you can look at that video. But you can go there and see all the products that I mentioned. I do not have them off the top of my head, and I do not have the products in my possession anymore, so I can't even show you guys the products. But just watch that video and you'll see the products that I'm talking about. The business model of Urban Skin RX is that they market to women of color, black women, brown women, and men. And so their products specifically, they do specifically target skin conditions for, individuals of color. And so I thought that maybe that would be something that I should consider or something that I should look into. I mean, like I said, I had nothing to lose. So I went ahead and I purchased products from them and I used them for about 3 weeks, going to a month. I know I did not go over a month. So I purchased the products and I used them and I saw no results. My skin just kept getting worse. That serum that they do have, one of the serums that specifically helps with acne, you'll see it in that video that I mentioned. I do talk about it. I use that serum every day and it was the first serum that I used now that I think about it. And yeah, my skin was breaking out and they did have a topical that you would apply on your skin each time you broke out. I used that as well. Nothing. My skin stayed the same way. In fact, the breakouts that I was applying that topical over stayed there. They did not go places. I mean, everything that these products were supposed to be doing, I was not getting the results. So I was annoyed as hell because I spent my money. And so I called my girlfriend and I was like, girl, what the hell? These products do not work. They did not work for me. What the hell? They're supposed to help women of color, black girls. Why aren't they helping my skin? What the hell? So she's like, okay, calm down. So I gave her all the products. I said, I can't, I just can't. Just take them. Whatever, they're just not helping. I was very optimistic about trying a new brand and using these products, and I was just disappointed and it wasn't fun. So I got rid of them. I stopped using them. Before I even got rid of a product, I went online to chat with one of the consultants from Urban Skin RX to just ask them and inquire about the products that I purchased and to just get a reason as to why these products were not working for me. I mean, the results that were being advertised on the website is not what I was getting. So I was a little bit frustrated. So I talked to someone and she mentioned, oh, maybe you can stop using the serum every day and use it every other day. Oh, maybe don't use the topical, just, hold off on using it. And then also she started telling me she started giving me steps on how to use the products that I was already taking anyway. So bottom line, that chat session was a waste of time. It didn't help me. I had already set my mind anyways. I'd set it up on not using the product, so nothing she was telling me was going to make me change my mind. So I just got rid of the products. I stopped using them. They did not work for me. They made my skin break out, and I do not recommend anyone that has very sensitive and acne prone skin to dive in with both fit in, because you might be disappointed. I mean, the products might work for someone else. I'm sure they've worked for a whole bunch of people. They have amazing reviews. I'm not gonna completely knock them down. I'm just talking about my personal experience. They just did not work for me, and I just was not gonna waste more time, because I remember also one thing that the consultant said was, oh, give it maybe 8 weeks. No, I don't have time for 8 weeks. That's way too long for me. I'm not going to sit there and let my skin break out from a product in hopes for a better result. No, it's just not gonna happen. I just, no. I just want you guys to proceed with caution. If you're curious about the brand, if you've just heard about them, you know, just do your research and maybe just buy one product and start off with that and just slowly build on, and try to adventure out with other products from the brand and see if the end result is positive. Just don't go full-fledged like I did with my purchases. I got the packages and then I got this. I got so much at once and nothing worked. So that was a lesson learned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop some comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.